The world is full of places that seem to defy logic. Mysterious disappearances, unexplained natural phenomena, and ancient structures with unknown origins. Do they have a scientific explanation, or are they proof of something beyond our understanding? Today, we'll explore the world's most mysterious places and reveal the science behind them. Bermuda Triangle. The vanishing zone. For decades, the Bermuda Triangle has been infamous for the mysterious disappearances of ships and planes. Some believe it's due to supernatural forces or alien abductions. However, scientists suggest that strong ocean currents, violent storms, and methane gas eruptions from the ocean floor can create deadly whirlpools and air pockets. These natural phenomena can cause ships to sink and planes to experience sudden engine failure, leading to their unexplained disappearances. Stonehenge. A prehistoric calendar? One of the world's greatest mysteries, Stonehenge, has puzzled historians for centuries. How did ancient people transport these massive stones? And why did they arrange them in this particular way? Recent studies suggest that Stonehenge was an advanced astronomical calendar. The stones align perfectly with the solstices, indicating that ancient civilizations may have used it to track seasons and celestial events, proving their knowledge of astronomy thousands of years ago. Blood Falls, Antarctica, the Bleeding Glacier. A blood-red waterfall flowing from the ice in Antarctica? It looks like a scene from a horror movie. But what causes this eerie sight? Scientists have found that this phenomenon is caused by iron-rich water from a hidden underground lake. When the water reaches the surface and reacts with oxygen, it oxidizes, creating a deep red color, just like rust. No ghosts or aliens, just science. Hoia Baciu Forest, the haunted woods of Romania. Deep in Romania lies Hoia Baciu Forest, known as the Bermuda Triangle of Transylvania. People report seeing glowing orbs, shadowy figures, and even feeling dizzy or disoriented when they enter. The scientific explanation? The forest sits on an area of high electromagnetic activity, which can affect human perception and cause hallucinations. Combined with the eerie silence and twisted trees, it's no surprise that this place feels supernatural. The Devil's Kettle, USA, a bottomless waterfall? In Minnesota, there's a waterfall where half of the river disappears into a deep hole, and no one knows where it goes. Scientists have tried pouring dye and floating objects into it, but they never resurface. Recent research suggests that underground caves and rock formations could be absorbing the water and redirecting it deep below the Earth's surface. While it may not be truly bottomless, it remains one of nature's most fascinating mysteries. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. The Eternal Fire Pit. In the middle of the Karakum Desert, there's a massive crater that has been burning for over 50 years. It's called the Door to Hell. The truth? This crater was created in the 1970s when Soviet scientists accidentally drilled into a natural gas pocket, causing the ground to collapse. To prevent the spread of toxic gas, they set it on fire, thinking it would burn out in a few days. It's still burning today. The Nazca Lines, Peru. Messages from the past, giant drawings of animals, geometric shapes, and mysterious symbols cover the desert of Peru. These lines are so massive, they can only be seen from the air. How did ancient civilizations create them without modern technology? Archaeologists believe the Nazca people made these lines over 2,000 years ago as a way to communicate with their gods. The dry desert climate helped preserve them for centuries. But how they were designed with such precision remains a mystery. Lake Natron, Tanzania, the petrifying lake. Imagine a lake so deadly that animals that fall into it turn into stone-like statues. That's Lake Natron in Tanzania. The secret behind this eerie transformation is the lake's extreme alkalinity. The water has a pH level close to ammonia, which can rapidly dry out and preserve anything that falls into it. While this lake is deadly to most creatures, some birds have adapted to thrive in its harsh environment. The boiling river, Peru. A river that shouldn't exist. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, there's a river where the water is so hot that it can literally cook anything that falls in. But what's heating it? There are no volcanoes nearby. Scientists discovered that this boiling river is heated by geothermal energy from deep underground. Cracks in the Earth's crust allow heat to escape, turning the river into a natural hot spring. The Crooked Forest, Poland, trees that grow sideways. In western Poland, there's a forest where the trees all bend at a 90-degree angle near their base. No one knows why they grew this way. Some theories suggest that heavy snow or a gravitational anomaly caused the trees to bend. Others believe that early settlers intentionally shaped them for shipbuilding. Whatever the reason, the Crooked Forest remains one of nature's strangest sights. From vanishing plains to burning craters, science has uncovered many secrets behind these mysterious places. But some mysteries still remain. What do you think? Could there be supernatural forces at play? Or does science always have the answer? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing discoveries.